Water, our most precious resource. 98% of fresh water comes from beneath our feet. It sustains us. It grows our food. It is the most vital substance on Earth, and it must be protected. Wastewater treatment is essential to the conservation of groundwater by removing contaminants that harm our ecosystem. Wiitta is committed to the preservation of our groundwater by manufacturing plastic pipe fittings of the highest quality, which contribute to wastewater management. Today is World Water Day. Groundwater, making the invisible visible.